But here, I have to tell about 10 ways that we can save the earth from pollution by adopting these. Where the pollution is a threat to the environment, it also threats to the lives of the nature's creatures. By the way, there are countless ways to prevent this earth from pollution. 1. Minimize the use of single-use plastics, like plastic bags, bottles, and straws. Opt for reusable alternatives and encourage others to do the same. 2. Dispose of waste responsibly by separating recyclable from non-recyclable. Follow local recycling guidelines and participate in community recycling programs. 3. Choose eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning products that do not release harmful chemicals into the environment. Look for labels indicating biodegradability and reduced environmental impact. 4. Use cleaner modes of transportation like electric vehicles or public transportation. Support regulations and initiatives that promote clean air standards and reduce industrial emissions. 5. Incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to pollution, so reducing meat consumption helps reduce the environmental impact. 6. Use water efficiently by fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and collecting rainwater for non-potable uses. Conserve water in daily activities and support water-saving initiatives in your community. 7. Dispose of hazardous materials, such as batteries, electronic waste, and chemicals, at designated collection points to prevent them from contaminating the environment. 8. Advocate for the transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Support policies that incentivize renewable energy production and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. 9. Support the creation and preservation of green spaces in urban areas. Trees and vegetation help filter pollutants from the air and provide habitat for wildlife. 10. Educate yourself and others about the impacts of pollution. Raise awareness through discussions, campaigns, and educational initiatives to encourage responsible actions and policy changes. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more informative videos.